Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, today's topic for discussion and conversation is introducing oneself. How you'll introduce yourself to others in any context, in any party, in any situation. How will you will introduce yourself to others. That's what is happening in today's conversation. So here we have Alice. She says, I'm Alice, class teacher of 5B, your co-worker. So Alice is introducing herself to her co-worker. And she says, I'm Alice. Or she says, hello, I'm Alice, class teacher of 5B, going to be your co-worker. I'm Alice, class teacher of Standard 5, Standard 5B. Then you say, your co-worker, I'll be your co-worker. So we are going to work together. You're telling your friend. They are the teacher. Then what happened? Or Alice could have said, hi friend, I will be your co-worker. I've been appointed as a class teacher of 5B or 5A, whatever. You can say. Then, hi Alice, I am Rose. So Rose says, hi or hello. Hello Alice. The other person agrees, hello Alice, I am Rose. She says, I am Rose Ferns. I am Rose Ferns. I am Rose Ferns, class teacher, or I am Rose Ferns, your co-worker. I am Rose Ferns, your co-worker. So Alice and Rose are co-workers. They meet, they greet each other. I'm glad to meet you too. I am glad. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. So what does Rose say? Hello Alice, I am Rose Ferns, your co-worker. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you too. So they both friends are very happy. Then, how was your first day here? So they are inquiring each other. How was your day one here? Or how was your first day? How was your first day here? Okay, so Alice is inquiring about Rose. Oh, good. Oh, good. I am happy. I'm happy. The day went off well. The day went off well. I'm very happy. The day went off well. Rose, meet Lily, the computer teacher. Rose, meet Meet Miss Lily. Lily, our computer teacher. A computer teacher. So, class teacher, subject teacher, they introducing each other. So Lily says, I'm Lily Peter. Have been here for 6 years. She says, I am Miss Lily Peter. I am Miss Lily Peter. Lily Peters. Have been here. She was working there for 6 years. She said, have been here. And she says, here school. Have been here for 6 long years. Have been here for 6 years. So Lily is introducing herself as Lily Peters, computer teacher, have been in this school for 6 long years. Where did you work, Rose, previously? So they're asking, where? Where did you? Where did you work? Where did you work? Previously, Rose? Where did you work previously, Rose? So they want to know where she been working before she came here. I am Rose Adam. I am Rose. Or I am Rose Ferns. I am Rose Fern. I worked at Wellesley School. So they're asking her before she came to this school, where did Rose work? So Rose Fern said, I'm Rose Ferns. I worked at Wellesley School. Wesley. I worked at Wesley School at Ooty for over 9 years. For over 9 years. Over 9 years. Then they ask each other, why did you leave Wesley School, Rose? Why? Why? Why did you leave? Why did you leave Wesley School? Why did you leave Wesley School, Rose? The reason, their conversation, they're introducing, they're telling each other what's happening to them. Why did you leave Wesley School? Then she says, Lily, my husband is on transfer. My husband is on transfer to Chennai. My husband is on transfer to Chennai. So they get the reason. Where do you live, Rose? Where? Where do you live, Rose? Where do you live, Rose Franz? And she says, I live at Arepuram, and so on. Now, they're introducing each other. They're going to school or workplace. They're telling each other about themselves, introducing, and others. They come to know where they live, what they do, and so on. So let's read what I have here for you. I am Alice, class teacher of Standard 5B. I'll be your co-worker. I'll be your co-worker. Hello, Alice. I am Rose Franz, your co-worker. I'm glad to meet you too. How was your first day here? Oh, good. I'm happy the day went off well. Rose, meet Miss Lily, our computer teacher. I am Miss Lily Peters. Have been here for 6 years. Where did you work previously, Rose? I am Rose Franz. I worked at Wesley School at Ooty for over 9 years. Why did you leave Wesley School, Rose? Lily, my husband is on transfer to Chennai. Where do you live, Rose Franz? I live at Arepuram, and go on.